Hello, everyone. I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for the week starting on Monday. That would be 21st of August, 2023. So let's see what's going to happen in the market. Let me share my screen with you, and we take it from there. Right, just starting from Forex Factory Monday. We have no heavy impact news for the dollar. And looking further into the week, Tuesday, we have 3 p.m. US dollar heavy impact news. Wednesday, we have USD at 2:45 p.m. The rest of the day, we have Euro GBP earlier on. And as for 23rd, this 23rd on Wednesday. And so 24th on Thursday, we have 1:30 p.m. heavy impact news, and then we'll go about 5 p.m. To medium impact news. And Friday, we have 2:40, 2 p.m., 2:40, and 3 p.m. heavy impact. And yes, then another one, 3:05. So we got some news on Friday, yeah. And going back to Monday, there's no news for dollar. So let's see how the market will react mainly on the technical analysis. So as you can see, daily, let me remove all this. Will be easy to see. Going to monthly, you can easily see the monthly pressure and market. These three strong data points. Market has rejected from here, and now market is effectively trying to break this level, and looks like it will break. It will come to this level. However, what the technical analysis says in weekly, let's see in weekly, market currently have broken this level, and market below this level, which is 1894 level, and market is currently at 1885. It's clearly have broken this level. So the next target in weekly is this level, 1812 level. So obviously the market not going to come straight away and jump into there. It will take some time, and have to make some movements in the smaller time frame. So let's see in different time frames. It's got 3 days. We've got daily. Daily, you can see that there's this level here. So let me put that level on. This level here, and that's where the market is standing at the moment. There's another level that is as 1812 level. You can easily make it a zone. So fair value gap as well. Now, looking at the daily, as you can see, looking at a closer look, that this is this candlestick pattern, evening or doji type pattern, clearly shows the market can reverse from here. And you can, using the Fibonacci levels, we have a reversal because a double. If we consider this point here and this point, it can be classed as a double bottom as well. Although considering this one is not a double bottom, but if you consider this as a double bottom from this point of view, then if it reverses from here, then we have golden ratio 1940 level, 1950 levels, two levels there. If you, to reverse back from here. However, if we look at different scenario, market has broken this level, as you can see. So what the market can do, reverse back up to 1900 level, which is a key level as well, and then come to the downside. So there's a different scenarios. If it breaks so this kind of scenario can develop. And you can see that in daily, we've got this formation, this triangle formation, and this kind of formation can easily show this, that it can reverse from here. Right, and yeah, so that's what this situation is at the moment in Delhi. And however, in weekly, definitely we come looking the market to come up to here, which 13 level. So let's see how the market behaves. The way you can catch the move, smaller moves especially, look for the price action here. And if it's a buy entry, take a buy entry. And if it's a sell entry, obviously you have to take sell entry. However, this is a level here. When market comes here, I expect bounce to the upside. However, when it breaks on the retest, we'll take a sell trade here. Going to smaller time frames, depending on which strategy you work and what time of the market you work, you can take some profit as well. Look here, this area was broken, and on the retest we could take another trade here. This was a good opportunity because, as you see, this was a fair value gap here, and the market tested that level exactly before in the New York session. It made a move to the downside, and you can see a very good move. And now this was a fair value gap here. Market tested it, went to the upside, and now so let's see what happens now. But I am expecting the market. Well, market should come down up to this level at least. Then make its mind where they want to go up or down, or maybe range for a bit before it goes down. Or if it goes successfully up to the Fibonacci level, as I said, 1940 and 1950 level, they are important levels. So I hope this is useful, and you can combine other indicators or RSI to further take your trades. And have a good day. Good night. Bye-bye.